Welcome to my channel and thank you guys for tuning in. So let's get right into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule content on Facebook using your Facebook page while using a social media calendar. Now, if you do not have a social media calendar template already, this is one that I have created for you to download. In order to download it, all you have to do is use the link that's in the description box of this video. It's going to take you to this little website that I created for you. Go to free downloads, and you want to just click right here where it says social media calendar, download that little Excel file, and this is what you're going to come up with. Now, the reason why I created the template this way is I feel it's very easy to use. I'm an extremely visual person, and so the more visual, the better for me. So I've put the date on here where you can put the dates of all the times where you're going to schedule throughout the month, and then the channels. So we have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest if that's one of the ones that's good for your brand to do. And I clip the pictures of the content that I'm going to use for that day just to remind myself what it is. And then I save the picture just by doing like save as on here. I save the picture to my desktop so that way I can just easily click and post it to Facebook. So this is how I do it. I find that it's really easy. And then I have this section here for link or text, and you can just select the text or the link right here, and then just copy it and then just paste it right into Facebook. That makes it so easy. And then I do this once a month for the channel, and then that way everything is already updated and all you have to do is monitor the comments. Okay, so let's get right into it for this one. I'm going to go ahead and copy the text that we're going to be using for this particular promotion. And actually the date on this one was supposed to be the 8th, so I'll change that one. So we're copying and pasting. And then we're going to go right back over to Facebook. And now for this exercise, you do need to be an admin on the page that you're posting and scheduling for. I'm already an admin on King Sauce. So I'm going to go here and I'm just going to paste the text that we just looked over. And now I'm going to go in and select the photo. And here it is right here. They're launching a new product, so we're going to let the world know about it. If you have questions about how I create cool promotions for free, just tell me in the link below and I'll make sure that I do a video on how to create really neat and customized graphics for your business. Okay, so here we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to go down to publish. And instead of just publishing it, we're going to go to schedule. You see where that is? And then you can click here. And on this particular one, we can choose any date that we'd like on the calendar. What I like to do, like I said, is to do this like all the posts that you have for the month is just set them up at one time. This particular one is going to be on Monday. And then since I've been reviewing my analytics on this page, I know that a lot of people are on the Facebook page around 3:30. So that's when I'm going to schedule the post for. There we go. So we have it on 3:30. And then all we have to do is do schedule. So it's thinking here. So it'll go on and it'll schedule the post to be posted on the 8th, and then it'll come at 3:30 just as I posted it on here. So that's definitely a really, really great way to make sure that everything that you need for the month is already posted and that it's live. Again, if you don't have a social media calendar and you're looking for a really good template, I would recommend the one that I've created for you just because it's super easy to download and it's really easy to use. If you have any other questions about ways to boost your Facebook profile or page or anything about scheduling or posting, please feel free to give me a comment below. Also, like the video if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe.